The Dreaded Mohawk. JW here. Today we're going to be talking about the Dreaded Mohawk, what it is, how it happens, and why seam integration is the answer for making it disappear. Synthetic turf is supposed to simulate natural grass. This means when you look across a large installation, you are witnessing vibrant colors of synthetic turf fibers glowing in the sun's rays that even fool the naked eye. Sometimes when synthetic turf is installed incorrectly, things start to appear that you would never see in natural grass. When seaming two sections of synthetic turf together, you are taking two sections and unifying them as one. Over the decades, manufacturers have been creating thicker, more realistic turf. Higher face weights have created headaches for installers when seaming two sections together. After studying the Mohawk, I found that pressure was the culprit. Once the scrim is removed from the edge of the roll, the pressure of the thatch causes the turf fibers to push and hang outward toward the seam's edge. When placing two sections together, the hanging fibers from each section cross and end up looking like an Indian teepee. This Mohawk line is very noticeable and sometimes turns out darker than the rest of the turf. This is caused by fibers crossing, reflecting UV light differently. The solution? The seam integration tool. Decades ago, I invented and patented the Super Seam tool, a proprietary patented method that integrates high face weight with ease and perfection. By integrating high face weight like a puzzle, it allows the fibers to integrate and blend together instead of crossing like an Indian teepee. Integration can be done either by hand or using the original Super Seam tool. If you have any further questions regarding seam integration, feel free to give me a shout or look for my Super Seam vlog in the near future. Until then, JW out.